Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to see how to test whether a series is converging by the ratio test. So we make the assumption that an is a sequence of n to the power of 3, 3 to the power of n over n factorial. And we want to find the ratio between two consecutive nth terms of this sequence and see whether it tends to 0 when the n goes to infinity. So we need to find what is the an plus 1 and what is the an, and then find the ratio. Dividing two consecutive nth terms of the above sequence, we have this expression. We multiply by the reciprocal of the sequence above. We need to simplify this fraction in the simplest form and do the test, the ratio test. We can see here that some terms cancel out. So we need to keep simplifying this fraction. After we simplify the above fraction, we came into this expression. 3 over n bracket 1 plus 2 over n plus 1 over n squared. And if I use, because we show that this ratio tends to 0 when the n tends to infinity, then the series converges by the ratio test. This is the lesson for today. If you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons like this one. Thank you for watching.